In this video, I'll show you how to download any application using Windows 11. Hit the like and subscribe button below this video while I walk you through. First, connect your computer to the internet. Next, look for Microsoft Store in your computer. Open it. This is the Microsoft Store interface. You need to sign into the Microsoft Store with a Microsoft account before you can use it without login interruptions. To do that, click on the profile icon at the top here. Next, click on Sign In. I already have a Microsoft account, so I'll just click on Continue. Now, you'll need to enter the PIN you used to unlock your computer. Are you new to this channel? Click on the subscribe button below. This will encourage us to make more videos. When you see this, click on Continue. Signing complete. Now let me show you how to download or install any application to your computer. Scroll below to any application in which you want to install. Let's own WhatsApp. Click on it. You can see the Install button. Click on it. After doing that, you have to wait for installation to complete. You can use the search bar to search for any application. But if what you're looking for is not on Microsoft Store, check description below, there's a link to help you out. Thanks for watching. If this helps, click subscribe, like and share this video. See you on our next video.